This this video is going to be used to show when you print a page as a PDF. It shows up some blocks and things. Let's just show you what it looks like when you print it. Come to the bottom of the page, save as PDF, and I'm just going to open it up in Viewer. I'm using a MacBook, so I have Previewer. And that's going to open up, and as you see, this page has some squares and some outlining. It's very bold in some places. So let's close that, and let's go here and let's see what we need to do. Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to go up to Edit Page. So we're going to edit the page. In this mode, everything looks fine. Obviously, everything always looks good in this mode. So we need to switch. This is called Classic mode. Point and click mode, my apologies. So we're going to switch over to Classic mode. When you switch to Classic mode, you go into the old code type way, the wiki editing. First, all these are going to show up. When explanations show up and they're not in front of anything, just let them disappear. Again, we went through the underlying. You look at the other video I had before. We don't want to have that wrapped around everything. So let's just go find the other one at the bottom. Here we go. That's going to remove all the H2, makes it bold, and the U makes it underlined. That's in another video that we have out, and you can find that on the other page. So what happened there is we're going to bring that up a little bit. I'm just going to look through and see what's going on. Basically, when you switch to this mode, what happens is it just kind of gets rid of a lot of the HTML crap. Oops, sorry. HTML code that gets caught up in there. So first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this height thing here. And then I'm going to take this border, I'm going to make this 0. With the bordering 0 with those squares that were wrapped around the text. Getting rid of the explanation points is what's going to help get rid of those empty little boxes that were there. So basically what I've done so far is I've gotten rid of the H2, the underline, I got rid of the height tag, I got rid of the border, and the other thing we're going to do is in the first one, this is the belt buckle storage, let's see where that is. On this TD, I'm going to do v_align equals top, and I'm going to do a no wrap. Let's close that explanation point there. And what that's going to do, the v_align top is going to make all the text go to the very top of that cell. The no wrap, if it's a two-worded or whatever, doesn't matter how wide it is, it's not going to wrap. It's going to use a full line and not make it go down to 2. I'm going to make this one also be a line top. Even though it's fuller and I know it's going to fill the entire table, I'd still rather just take that and do that. Let's save this. Takes a few seconds. We're going back into nothing's really changed. All you see here is this went to the top and this one didn't go to the top. So let's go back in real quick. Now, oh, what am I doing? Let's go back up to the top, edit that real quick. I didn't realize there was more tables. So for every cell I see TD, which is a table cell, the start of them, I'm just going to do that. I'm going to throw in the, and what that's going to do is make sure that everything in a cell is aligned to the very top. Also, for the first cell in each row, I'm going to throw in no wrap. So this is buckle storage. Well, buckle storage, look at that, has no v_align top. See, I skipped it already. No wrap. This one needs a no wrap. Nope, because that one is full of text. This one here is terp. Terp's not going to wrap anyway, but just to keep consistent with the rest of it, let's just go ahead and do it. So now, every cell that has like the main text, what that cell it contains, buckle storage, belt storage, and then up here we also have buckle storage. So save that. So now I'll put in a v_align top and a no wrap. There we go. Everything's at the top now. See that? Beautiful. Let's go to the very bottom. Let's take a look at what this looks like now. And let's do an OK and show them in the previewer. All those little things are gone. See, those were the explanation points and the extra, basically extra enters and things like that. All those squares are gone now. They were wrapped around at one time because I put border equals 0. I got rid of height. Let's squeeze up a little bit. One thing I'm noticing here is it is being grappled. This is not the way it was supposed to be. Look, it's a different page. It looks alright. I'm going to let that be for now. And I got rid of the things that we wanted to get rid of for this. And we'll do another video when the time comes for that. So.